Hey everybody, a little bit of an update video for you today, and maybe it's a little bit of a gut check video for me as well. The winter here in Indiana is terrible. The temperature is ranging from 0 degrees to 30 degrees. It popped up to 60 degrees earlier this week, but it's fluctuating all over the place. There's snow, there's rain, it never gets sunny. This is pretty standard for Indiana. But what that means for motorcycle content is that it makes it really difficult. Um, I am writing when I can, but it's clear that my frequency during the winter is for posting videos is likely going to reduce. Um, I've thought about creating some videos that are structured around some more solid content, more maybe tips of like riding tips or gear videos, or even like videos based around what upgrades that I've done to my motorcycle and things like that. But very frankly, like I'm not super jazzed about doing content like that. Like there's a million other channels for that, and it is really divergent from the storytelling type videos that I normally do. So I'm not sure, honestly, that like you as my subscribers really want to see that content. I might put something out like that. I'm just not sure at this point, but I think really all I'm asking is a little bit of grace here. I would love to be writing more and uploading once a week or something like that, but the reality is it's just not possible right now. So bear with me while we get through the holidays and the beginning of the year, and I'm hoping that frequency will increase, and we'll get back to our normal standard schedule. Well, that's pretty much the update. Thanks everybody for joining me today, and hope to see you soon. As always, ride safe, stay curious, and enjoy the journey.